This exciting new integration between Crestron and Shure is truly revolutionary, as it combines best-in-class Crestron unified communications with Shure's best-in-class audio for a truly optimized UC audio experience. This is the first ever software certification for Microsoft Teams, where Shure's software-based DSP is configured within Crestron Flex C-Series integrator room kits. This provides a truly seamless installation. The industry is already well aware of Crestron's strong partnership with Microsoft, so having Shure part of the equation further accentuates the value of this new solution. What is even more exciting is that at the present, Crestron and Shure are the only two companies offering this combined UC enhanced audio solution to the market.
Crestron is one of the biggest and well-known brands in unified communications. It also has one of the strongest legacies in the broader AV industry, just as Shure has a long-established heritage in world-class audio products. Shure's partnership with Crestron is central to this exciting news. Crestron has been a Microsoft partner for more than 15 years, and AV integrators have relied on their Flex integrator kits to bring Microsoft Teams rooms into custom spaces. Whether for an all-hands meeting in the auditorium, for sharing content in the boardroom, or for connecting stakeholders around the world. Shure has been hyper-focused on audio acoustics, wireless mics, and DSP for decades. We wanted to partner with a company who we knew would take the video conference experience forward with us. That's Crestron. We complement rather than compete against each other's products and technologies. Our MicroFlex ecosystem mics and loudspeakers were already certified for Microsoft Teams. We are thrilled that now, with the addition of our IntelliMix Room DSP software, the entire end-to-end audio signal chain is Microsoft Teams certified, and this is hugely important to Shure. At Shure, we're always looking for ways to improve our solutions to better suit the customer's needs. We've heavily invested in developing our software offerings that improve the workflow for users and let them focus on the task at hand. Our solutions are always designed with the end user in mind to help improve connectivity, audio clarity, and quality with consistent results. Shure is constantly taking a forward-thinking approach to simplifying audio, from microphones to DSP to loudspeakers, and doing it without compromise.